Hey, welcome to Million Movies' 5th video of the 10 video chain for losing weight and belly fat. Squeeze the juice of a lemon as a glass of warm water. Now add a few crushed black cumin or black caraway seeds to it. Add only 1 tablespoon at a time. Too much can disturb your digestive tract. Now add a spoonful of honey to it and drink this concoction. This will cut belly fat easily and will help you get the flat abs you always hoped for. Black cumin seeds are very helpful when it comes to inducing weight loss. Just a handful of these seeds can work wonders in cutting body weight, belly fat to be more specific. These seeds are high in terms of fiber and prevent you from overeating. Adding just a spoonful of these seeds to food increases the nutritional value of food and also induces satiety. Black cumin seeds or nigella seeds has many names and likewise, it has many benefits too. The little seeds of this spice usually go unnoticed while discussing the healthiest of all herbs and spices. But once you know what black seeds are capable of, you will never miss mentioning them in a list of the healthiest spices ever. One of the most popular benefits of this seeds is weight loss. These seeds can help you shed oodles of weight in no time, but only if used the right way. Black seeds are known to play a significant role in reducing belly fat. If you start using these seeds as a part of your weight loss treatment, the circumference of your waist will get visibly reduced just within a few weeks. The best thing about black seed is that it offers a natural and faster weight loss solution without any potential side effects. However, here are the reasons behind the effectiveness of black seeds in weight loss. Black seed contains a very high amount of dietary fibers, which keep our digestive system healthy, make our metabolism better, lower our blood sugar levels, and eventually facilitate weight loss. It contains crystalline niggalone, a carbonyl polymer of thymoquinone, which works as an antioxidant enzyme and prevents fat accumulation in our body. The ether extract of black seed holds mild anorexic property, which helps in curbing appetite and accelerating weight loss. So, take a fast action, start using the black seed for many benefits. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.